ओम विश्वतश्चक्षुरुत विश्वतो मुखो विश्वतो बाहुरुत विश्वतस्पात् समबाहुभ्यां दमति संपतत्रैर्द्यावा भूमि जनयन् देव एकः. Namaste to all. This is Yajurveda, 17th chapter, Saptadasho Adhyayah, 19th mantra. Very beautiful mantra. Many people have a doubt by reading this mantra that this mantra speaks about Chakshu. Chakshu means eyes. Mukho means face, or we can say sometimes Mukho means we can say Mukh. Mukh means mouth. Vishwato Bahuruta. Bahu means shoulders. So many people have a doubt that this mantra speaks about the form of Almighty God or the shape of Almighty God, or this mantra is describing about the idol of Almighty God. Actually, this mantra is not describing the idol of Almighty God. Vishwatash Chakshuhu. Maharishi Swami Dayananda Saraswati ji writes, Vishwatah Sarvasmin Jagati Chakshur Darshanam Yasya. Chakshur Darshanam. One who is able to do darshan of this universe. Chakshu means darshan. Chakshu does not mean eyes. Paramatma, as I made a video a couple of days back, Paramatma does not have nervous system. Asna Virang. If you remember that Veda mantra a couple of days back. So without the nervous system, there is no possibility of eyes. So here we should match the Veda mantra and come to a understanding. That's how Maharishi also has very clearly written, Chakshur Darshanam. Paramatma has such a divine power, Vishwata Chakshuhu. He is able to see the entire universe without having eyes. Vishwa means Sansar, entire Brahmand, the entire universe. Or we say multi-universe or etc. Whatever it may be, multi-universe or single universe or hundreds, whatever it is. Paramatma has Chakshur Darshanam. He sees everything. See, the more we must understand one thing. In the Vedas, if you see, most of the mantras speaks about Paramatma. Most of the mantras. Many mantras speaks about Paramatma. Very few mantras speaks about Jivatma. First Paramatma, next Prakriti, next Jivatma in order. Paramatma speaks about his qualities again and again and again to make us clarify, because we see the universe. We understand the universe by seeing it. Of course, we don't understand that the universe is mortal. We don't understand that universe is non-eternal. We never understand. But we see the universe, so we are able to understand to some extent. But we don't see the Paramatma. That's why Paramatma gives knowledge about Paramatma in the Vedas again and again. So Vishwatas Chakshuhu, he is able to see, he sees every one of us in this universe, which we cannot even imagine. That portion of universe also Paramatma sees by his divine Chakshu. He does not have a physical eye. Similarly, Vishwato Mukha, Mukh ke bina bolne wala Paramatma. He can speak without having a mouth. Means he gives the knowledge. Vishwato Mukha, he gives the knowledge of the Vedas for an entire universe. Not only in this Bhumi, in this earth. Wherever there is a earth in this universe, we do not know how many earths are there. There could be many earths for sure. Wherever there are human beings, Paramatma would give the knowledge of the Vedas. Vishwato Mukha. सब ओर से सबको उपदेश करने वाला, वेदों का उपदेश. Even within us also, when you do adharma karya, you will get a voice from inside you. That is the voice of Paramatma. You will get a voice that don't do this activity, right? So that is the voice of Paramatma. So Vishwato Mukha. Then similarly, Vishwato Bahuhu. Bahu means the shoulder. If you see the television or YouTube, the strongest person in the world, they will show the biceps and the shoulder, right? The strength. The shoulder is indication of shoulder and also thighs. It's indication of bahubali we say, right? Balashali. So सब प्रकार से अनंत बल तथा पराक्रमशाली. सर्वतो बाहुर्बलम वीर्यम वा यस्य. Paramatma वीर्यवान. He is highly capable. There is no action in this world which is incapable by Paramatma. No scientific actions. Of course, unscientific deeds Paramatma does not do and cannot do also. Whatever Paramatma does is always scientific. Paramatma cannot turn a stone into a living being. No, that Paramatma cannot do and he will not do. It's anti-Vedic, anti-scientific, unscientific. So he is Sarvato Bahur Balam Viryam. Viryavan, Balwan, Bahubali we say, right? Extreme Balwan. He does not have shoulders, but he is holding the entire universe. He is creating the entire universe. He does not have a hands. Next is Utha and Vishwataspath. He does not have legs. Path means legs, but he is everywhere. He reaches everywhere. How? He is omnipresent. Vishwataspath means Vishwatah Sarvatrapat Gatir Vyaptir Yasya Vyapti. He is Sarva Vyapi. He is the fastest. Before light will take 100,000 light years to cross the galaxy. But Paramatma is always present there also, here also. Vishwataspath. He is fastest. Means he is everywhere. Then mantra says Sambahubhyam Dhamati. Sorry, I have to close this. 1 second. Sambahubhyam Samyak Anantabhyam Balaviryabhyam Prapnoti. What does Paramatma does? Sambahubhyam. Paramatma Achitara. Samyak means Achitara. Achitara Bahubhyam Anantabhyam Balaviryabhyam. He has such a anant power that he is able to convert Patatri. The mantra has the word Patatri Dyava Bhumi. From Patatri means from Paramanu. The Paramanu, the atoms or the ions or the smallest atoms or electrons, protons or quanta particles are so fast moving. It moves from Paramanavadibihi. Paramanu say it moves so fast. Paramatma is able to control that also. That is why he is called as Bahubhyam, Anantabhyam. Anantabhyam Balaviryabhyam. He is having Anant power. You cannot imagine. See, Paramatma, you remember one famous statement, Vinashakale Viparita Buddhihi. When Paramatma has to give a result of our deeds, he can alter the Rajagun, Tamagun, Sattvagun in the Buddhi also. He has such a capability. When we have to face a result, Paramatma has such capability that he can alter the Rajagun, Tamagun, Sattvagun inside our Buddhi also. Is Anant Balshali. The world's strongest person cannot do that. The world's most genius scientist cannot do it. Paramatma is Anant Balwan. Damati iti gati karma. The gati karne wale paramanu patatri ko control, he can control it. And how he controls? He controls the patatrehi Dyava Bhumi. He makes the Dyava, he makes the sun, moon, earth, space, etc. and this Bhumi with the help of Paramatma, Paramanus. Not Paramatma, sorry, Paramanus. Janayan means converting the cause to effect. Utpatti karna hai. Janayan Devah Yekah. That Deva, that Paramatma, Swa Prakashah. Deva means here Swa Prakash, Swayam Prakash Paramatma. He does not need knowledge from outside. He has his own knowledge. He does not need power from outside. We need power from outside. Paramatma does not need. Devah Yekah. Yekah, Maharishi writes, Advitiyo Asahayah. Asahayah. He does not need your help. He does not need our support. he asayah. He does not need anybody's support to do all these things. This is Paramatma. Many today also one guy asked, please tell me, is Shiva God or Vishnu God? No, Shiva and Vishnu both are the name of this Paramatma. But what you read in Puranas, Shiva Purana, Vishnu Purana is not Paramatma. Shiva and Vishnu is this Paramatma. Shiva means one who does good to all. Vishnu means one who is Vishwataspat, one who is omnipresent. So we must worship. So here Maharishi writes, जो पुरुष इसको छोड़ अन्य की उपासना करता है, उससे अन्य जगत में भाग्यहीन कौन पुरुष है? One who worships anybody else leaving this Paramatma, which is mentioned in this, described in this mantra by Paramatma himself, who else can be the most unluckiest person? The most unluckiest person in this world is that person who worships other God other than this God. We must worship this God. That's what Maharishi writes. Bhagyahin Purush kaun hoga? Koi nahi hai. We are totally unlucky when we forget this Paramatma and worship somebody else. This is what we must understand. Such a beautiful Veda mantra, Yajurveda 17/19. Try to go through my videos again and again so that you try to get some understanding about Paramatma, and it's also revision for me. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.